This video is for educational purposes and not a substitute for healthcare advice. You ever get that random ear itch while you're just scrolling your phone? Sometimes it's dry, flaky wax, almost like popcorn skin buildup. A lot of people ignore it or use whatever's nearby. That's usually when it gets uncomfortable. Some switch to simple, ear-safe tools for a more gentle, controlled clean, makes it feel way less like guesswork. Earwax isn't bad, but when it dries out, it can get irritating. Curious, have you felt that flaky kind, or is yours usually softer? Have fun, and enjoy it.